All right, today I'm out here at our farm, and I just wanted to hop out of the car real quick because driving down the road to go set up some corn, and we're gonna set up a trail camera to see what we got going on here. I just wanted to check out some of these soybeans. They're about a little bit over knee height right now, so they're growing, dude. They're getting there. I've seen a couple doe just moving around in these fields, but you know, we got soybeans all the way down there, soybeans all throughout here. We have a box stand way up there, which I'm gonna go up to soon. So yeah, we're just gonna check out, get prepped for deer season. All right, so we're here at the spot where I'm gonna put the camera up. The camera is right there. I'm gonna put the corn somewhere right here, and the deer stand is right there, and there are literally 1, 2 deer right there. See them? 2 deer right there, both doe. If that's not telling you that the soybeans work, I don't know what can. I was just standing here, I was just kind of making sure to that was a good tree, this was a good area. The soybean field there, and there's soybean there field there, and then these 2 deer just walk out, and I was like, what's up? So, we're gonna go over to the tree stand real quick, check it out, see if I need to come back here with some pliers. It looks like I do. I need to cut down a bunch of stuff, it's kind of getting overgrown, but just kind of check it out, just getting prepared. All right, so I'm here at the stand, and it's really overgrown. I'm gonna have to come through here with some pliers and cut a little path up here, cut all this stuff off, make sure there's no wasp nests up there. But one thing I want to point out is there's this like trail walking right along, see right here, this trail right here, walking right along this huge soybean field right here. And if we take a closer look, these soybeans have been, you know, munched on. So all these deer are just coming, come on, focus. All these deer have just been coming through and munching on these. And if you can tell, I don't know if you can, but this side right here, the end of the plot is more cut down and shorter than the ones out here. The ones out here are taller and more lush. I'm gonna walk out here. I'm just looking at the ground right here, and there are just deer tracks all through here, and it's a lot shorter. It's about mid shin right here, and out there is definitely knee height. And there, I just saw a deer run off over there. But I set up the camera over there. I'm real excited, but I'm gonna have to come back out here probably tomorrow and clean this up a little bit, make sure everything's all good up in there, and then I'm gonna have to get another SD card, because that SD card that I brought out is completely full. So I'm gonna have to go home tonight, empty the files on that, come back out here tomorrow, put it in the camera, because right now nothing's in the camera. But I'm excited. Now let's get to some fishing. Wait, I'm gonna give you a little look of the land. This is what, I have a drone video, and I took it a while back, and it's just gonna show you the land that I'll be hunting. So we'll roll that right now. So now you know what it's kind of the layout of the land is. It's just kind of trees here and there. It's very open. I'm gonna be hunting with a rifle. I'm gonna be bow hunting when the season opens, and then right when rifle season opens, I'll be out here the first day, and I'll be up in this stand and hopefully slinging some lead down here, getting some. But let's get on some fishing. So I've been fishing for 3 hours and I've caught one fish. I didn't get on video because my GoPro is dead. So that was the only fish I caught. It was with a rattle trap. It's windy today. It was just not the most ideal day to go fishing. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, I'm tired. You know, go down, comment, like, subscribe. I don't have that many subscribers, so if you're a new viewer, if you could subscribe, that would be dope. Thanks for watching.